In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use a trading expert advisor on Metatrader 5. So this can be a trading robot to trade for you on MT5 automatically. Now to be able to do this right, what we want to do is open up a chart of our choice. Right here, I've got the German 30, also known as the DAX, on screen. Now, if I want to add a trading advisor, what I can do is I can simply go to a chart. So let's just say that I want to open up the Euro USD. So I'm going to open up the Euro USD here, and then I'm going to go down to an M5 chart. And if I want to add one, what I want to do is I'm going to go over to the market. Now, first of all, you need to find the advisor that you want. So you can come over here, go to experts, and then you can look at there's a lot of paid ones on here, which are very good, but you can also get free ones to try out on a demo account. And you can go click on one, and then you can click on download, which will then download it to your Metatrader 5. Now, once you've got it, you can then close down the market, come back over to your chart. And if we come over to the left-hand side here, we can go to Expert Advisors. You want to click on the drop-down menu for Market, and here is where you'll then see your installed advisors. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double-click on one. I'm then going to click on OK. If you go to Common, you'll just see the name and the creator of this specific trading robot. You want to make sure that algo trading is allowed. Click on OK, and then as you can see, it's now been added. You'll see in the top right hand corner that it's being added as well. And if you double click on this again, you can then change the settings to whatever you like. And then you want to make sure that algo trading is enabled in the top left hand corner. If it's done correctly, the little hat symbol will be blue, and that means that it is ready to trade. And then once it comes across any setups, this trading robot will now start trading automatically on your Metatrader 5. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add a trading expert advisor on Metatrader 5.